Chair and Committee, there is one cardinal principle. Whoever alleges must prove. This house is a sacred house, and this house is a house of records and a house of evidence. The second offense is abuse of office and gross misconduct by bulldozing officers to renovate the office of the Deputy Governor outside approved budgetary provisions. The Deputy Governor, banking on the authority of his office, forced incurring expenses. That's the operative word they are saying. Forced incurring of expenses of approximately 18 million. Number two, that I procured within, I think it is forced incurring of expenses of approximately 18 million for purposes of renovating his office. So that is the charge. I want to state, and I want to look at the chair in the eye, and I want to say that I had absolutely no role whatsoever in procuring my furniture or in the renovations of my office. Yes, I, together with Governor, and unfortunately, the Assembly, on their own volition, decided to choose which witnesses they are bringing to the Senate and which ones they are dropping. Because remember, the Assembly, they had 10 witnesses, some of whom testified against what they were saying. One of whom was Jared Abayo. And Jared Abayo, when he was asked by Mheshimiwa Ben Adala, the MCA for North Ugenya Ward, when he was asked whether he was forced, he said he was not forced. And we have him on Hansard. I want to refer you to the Hansard, CA2, page 164. Mr. Bayo also confirmed in his testimony and during cross-examination that no one put pressure on him to renovate my office. It is interesting to note that the committee of the County Assembly of Siaya, they removed this testimony, the testimony of the witness. They completely ignored it. They did not talk about it. Okay. The other one is Joseph Omondi, the Chief Officer in charge of governance and administration. He was asked by counsel during cross-examination whether I had any role in determining the extent of the furniture and its costs.